Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Crunchyroll Premium subscription, which may be combined with Funimation content, follow these steps to stop automatic billing. Step 1. Open a web browser and navigate to crunchyroll.com. Sign into your account using the email address and password associated with your Crunchyroll Premium subscription. Step 2. Click on your profile icon or username in the top right corner of the website. From the drop-down menu, select Settings or Account Settings to access your subscription options. Step 3. In the Account Settings menu, look for Subscription or Premium Membership section. This displays your current plan details including subscription type, billing date, and payment method. Step 4. Click on Manage Subscription, Change Plan, or a similar option. You'll see information about your current membership and options to modify or cancel your subscription. Step 5. Locate and click on Cancel Subscription, Cancel Membership, or Turn off Auto Renewal. Crunchyroll will display a warning that you'll lose premium benefits at the end of your billing period. Step 6. Crunchyroll may offer incentives to stay subscribed, such as discounted rates or pausing your subscription. If you're certain about canceling, click Continue to cancel or confirm cancellation. Step 7. Select a reason for canceling if prompted. This helps Crunchyroll improve their service, but is typically optional. Choose the most relevant reason or skip this step. Step 8. You'll receive a confirmation message on screen and via email verifying your cancellation. You can continue using Crunchyroll Premium until the end of your current billing period without additional charges. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.